Not taking much of your time, let me tell you today's video's topic. So it is creating a website using Django, and this all will be within 11 minutes. I will create a playlist on Django tutorial very soon. So this will be our Django tutorial 1. Like my previous video, I am assuring you that after this video, you will be able to do the whole thing within 11 minutes. So today we are going to create or make the basic structure of our website. Before that, let us talk about Django. With Django, you can create websites and web applications from concept to launch in a matter of hours. Django takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. Now here the question arises, why to use Django? First of all, it is a free and open source. Second of all, it is ridiculously fast. Django was designed to help developers take applications from concept to completion as quickly as possible. It is fully loaded. Django includes dozens of extras you can use to handle common web development tasks. Django takes care of user authentication, content administration, sitemaps, RSS feeds, and many more tasks right out of the box. It is reassuringly secure. Django takes security seriously and helps developers avoid many common security mistakes such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and clickjacking. Its user authentication system provides a secure way to manage user accounts and passwords. Then it is exceedingly scalable. Some of the busiest sites on the planet use Django's ability to quickly and flexibly scale to meet the heaviest traffic demands. And last of all, it is incredibly versatile. Companies, organizations, and governments have used Django to build all sorts of things, from content management systems to social networks to scientific computing platforms. Now let us go to our computer screen and start coding. So I have made a folder website using Django and I have opened it using Visual Studio Code. So the first step here is the installation of Django. You need to type a single line to install Django, which is pip install Django, and then hit on enter. You can see requirement already satisfied. The computer might not show this in your case. It is showing this here because I have installed it earlier. So let's get started. So let us see the commands which we can type here using Django. Simply type here Django admin and hit on enter. You can see check, compile messages, create catchable and DB shell, etc, etc, etc. So let us create a project using Django. Simply write in your terminal Django admin and space, then you can see here start project. I am going to use this. So start project, then you need to type your project's name. Let the project's name be my website. It looks cool. Now let's hit on enter. You can see Django has created a folder for you. You can see this much code is written here for you. You will say that I have not written it. How it came here? This is the beauty of Django. It did all the thing automatically. You can see here underscore init underscore dot py, asgi dot py, settings dot py, urls dot py, etc. So it is telling me to select a Python interpreter as I am using multiple Python interpreters. I'm selecting Python 3.9.5 and let's open this my website folder. Website using Django, my website. So select the folder. So now new terminal, and here you need to write a command python manage.py start app, and here you need to give the name of our app. Let it be home, and then hit on enter. You can see another folder has been created for you. you can see urls.py is missing here. This is one thing you need to manually create. So let us create the urls.py. So guys, once I create a project using Django, I need to write the following command: python manage.py run server, and then hit on enter. It will run your server. You can see if I click here, it will open my server. You can see the install worked successfully. Congratulations. So why I did this? I just wanted to check that everything is working fine or not. So let's come to our projects. Our project is my website. My website's url.py. You can see this thing. Now we need to redirect it to our home.urls.py. So you need to simply copy this line here and hit on enter, and you can see we have not imported include. It is giving an error, so we need to import include first. Include, and here you need to type home, and here you need to leave blank. It tells you that if anything comes with a blank link, you need to redirect it to home.urls.py. So it does the work of redirecting. So let's come to our urls.py of our home. So guys, now let us copy this thing from our urls.py of our project. Our project is my website, it's urls.py. From there you need to copy these lines, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, that is paste here. So now you need to import a thing which is from home import views. So I have imported views from here. This is the views file which I have imported here. So now if something comes here, it will redirect it to views dot. We'll make a function later on which is home, and write a comma here, and then name is equal to within inverted commas home, and Ctrl+S, which is you have saved it, and it is saying that there is no function called the home. So you need to make a function here, def home, and here you need to request, and so you are ready with it. So let's import HTTP response and return HTTP response. This is my home page. Okay, so you are done with it. Now let's check it. You can see this is my home page. So you will be thinking about that I don't want this web page. You need to create a thing with lots of designs and all. So we will be creating this in our project. Don't worry about it. So guys, you will be now wondering about that what is this admin written here. So don't worry about it. I'll be soon explaining you about this. So for now, let us delete this line, and in our views.py we need to create some more functions which are let's copy these lines here. Okay, now it's fine. So Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V. This is for our projects. This is my projects. About. This is my about page. And here this is your contact. This is your contact page. Contact page. Now let's come to our urls.py of our home. So now you need to redirect them to their respective web pages. So here you need to type about and here you need to type projects and here contact, and here if someone comes with a URL about, then he will be redirected to the about page. If someone comes with projects, he will be redirected to the projects page. Now contact, he will be redirected to the contacts page. Type here views.about and here views.projects and here contact. Okay, now let's check it. It will definitely work. You can see this is our about page. Now let's check for our projects. Here this is your projects page. This is my projects. You can see now this is contact. You can see this is my contacts page. So you can make unlimited number of pages using this. You can see if I type something gibberish here, for example like this, now let's hit on enter, you can see page not found. It is saying that I have these things, search among these. If I type here for example about, so guys, later on we are going to design these web pages. We are going to make these web pages more beautiful. So guys, if you want to see the second part of this video, that is using some templates, means we will convert these HTTP response to render, and we will create separate HTML files for those. So for that you need to see my video on the left, which is the second part. Just click on that and see that fast. To automate Google Meet using Python, see the video on the right. And do subscribe our channel Addy's Technical Aid.